Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I am reviewing these Allen wrenches from GRENPRO. I have some other tools from GRENPRO, and they're all really good quality. I'm absolutely impressed with them. And these things are huge. They come with a magnetizer and a demagnetizer built into the case that holds them. This is just the metric set. I don't think that they sell just the SAE set, but if they do, I'm definitely going to be picking those up. I know that they sell metric and SAE, and then just metric, but I need just the SAE to go with these. I never thought that I would need some of these this large, but it just so happens I was reviewing this tool as well, and wouldn't you know it, it just so happens I needed a very, very large Allen wrench to go in these. But they have the ball end so that you can turn at an angle. And again, they're super heavy duty. I tried to bend these and they don't. They're very, very sturdy, very good quality. I would definitely highly recommend those.